Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm going to show you how to use this Schrader to PRESTA adapter. And let's get into this video right now. So chances are, if you're watching this video, you have a pump like I have here, but your pump does not have a PRESTA option like I have here. So I have a Schrader over here and I have a PRESTA. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna show you how that works. By the way, you can pick up one of these guys from your bike shop for about $1, and you can get them from the Amazon. I'm gonna link it right here. 5 of these for $5. Okay, so let's get into this video right now and show you what I'm talking about here. So right here in front of us, I have the PRESTA valve on a PRESTA tube, and this is what you want to do. You want to unscrew this nice and open. So you want this open, and you want this all the way. So what you're gonna do now, we're gonna take the adapter, and now we're gonna screw it nice and tight. Okay, so that's that, pretty simple. Now let's step back a little bit over here, and I'm gonna take the clamp, the Schrader clamp over here, and I'm gonna connect it on here. Okay, now I can hear a little bit of air coming out, that's fine. And look what I'm doing now. Now we're gonna inflate. Okay, and see, this works. So now what you will do, you're gonna pump to that proper PSI that you have on here, which is usually 90 or 100. And now that everything is done, we're gonna disconnect the clamp. Okay, so now you're gonna remove the adapter. And now you're all set and you can rock and roll. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.